Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to be sharing with you ways and tips on how you can get confident and how you can get comfortable in front of the camera. So if you're camera shy, this video is for you. And just in case you want to start a YouTube channel, you're a small YouTuber and your camera shy, I'm going to be showing you how you can overcome camera shyness. So if you are interested, then you need to keep on watching this video. So first of all, camera shyness, guys, I want you guys to understand that this is quite normal. It is so you need to understand that this is it's normal. Like, welcome to the club, welcome to the club. We've been there, we've done that. We were shy first video and now we're here. I mean, you never remain at the same spot, right? So welcome to the club. You need to embrace it. It's not going to be there forever. You're not going to be shy forever. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my tips because I've been there. I'm going to put a couple of clips from my old videos and you guys would see how shy I was, literally. My channel, if you're new here, my name is Deborah Bombs. If you are a returning subscriber, you are so welcome. Thank you for coming here to watch this. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I did and some of the tips that I have for you guys that is going to help you overcome camera shyness. So let's just get right into it. But the first thing is I need you to get comfortable with yourself. There's something about being comfortable within your own space. There's something about being comfortable around your own self, and this is so key because I mean, you're talking to a camera, talking to a lens, right? There's no one in the room. I'm assuming you're a YouTuber, and let's say you also want to, I don't know, maybe you have another reason you want to be in front of the camera. Or if you're starting a YouTube channel, like, you're probably going to be the only one in the room, right? And you need to talk to the camera. You're talking to yourself. I mean, it's so funny because I'm literally just talking to myself, talking to a camera. So you need to get comfortable with yourself. You need to get comfortable within your space, right? And ways you can do this: after your day, maybe a calm day, you just come in front of the mirror and talk to yourself about your day. Assume you're talking to a friend. It helps you get comfortable. And since we're talking camera shyness, bring out your mobile phone at the end of the day, or I don't know, when something good just happens, bring out your mobile phone and talk to yourself, literally, and just be free. Try to make videos. You're not showing anybody the video, right? It's just for you. You just want to kind of like track your progress. So make videos and keep these videos to yourself. Look at them. Oh, maybe I wasn't looking at the lens. That brings me to my next point. So maybe you're not looking at the lens. Maybe your eyes are, going all over the place. These are things that you look out for in the video and then try to improve on the next video. So you have to practice, and with time you're going to get confident. And with time you're going to get confident. With time you're going to get comfortable. And yeah, so my next point is something that I always talk about here on my channel: making eye contact, right? So you need to look at the lens. I'm not saying looking at the camera right now. You need to look at the lens, because most times I watch videos and the YouTubers are literally talking to the screen. You're not making eye contact with your audience. So if you are a small YouTuber and you're trying to grow, your audience needs to be able to connect with you, right? So you need to make eye contact with your audience by looking at the lens. So that brings me to my next point. So there's something I do. It has to do with scripting. That has to do with having key points which you don't want to forget, and things that are very important for you to mention in your YouTube video. So usually I will write these things down, and when you're doing a script, when you're writing a script, and it's so advisable to have everything in bullet points, because if it's clumsy, it's going to be very difficult to pick out the points. You get lost and you waste your time trying to figure out what's next, which also means that your script should follow a particular pattern. If you're telling a story, if you're passing across a particular form of information, your script needs to like follow that pattern. It needs to be sequential. So try as much as possible when you're planning your script to make it very concise, very brief, very filled with key points, basically. All right, so just like TV presenters, these people are not talking from their heads, right? It's either they have been given a script and have practiced and practiced, so that script is like it's at their fingertips, right? Or they have a screen directly behind the camera, or maybe by the side, and that is what they are reading from. So the script is on the screen. So if you're coming to YouTube, like, who are you not to have a script? It just helps you stay organized and make everything very fast and brief, right? So try to have a script, know what you want to say in the video, and write it down. Okay, yeah. So the next point has to do with bringing your personality to the table. There is something about you that people are going to love so much that would make them want to keep coming back to your channel, right? So try not to copy other people, try not to sound like other people, try not to mimic other YouTubers. Be yourself, stay true to yourself, stay true to who you are, stay true to your brand, and just come here and let us get to know you for you. Try not to mimic people. Bring your personality to the table. There's something about you that we are going to love, your viewers are going to love. So please don't change your personality. Be true to yourself and don't fake it. Please come on camera and let us see the true you, right? So yeah. Yeah, it's going to be much easier when you're trying to be yourself than when you're trying to be someone else. That just compounds on the whole difficulty being comfortable here in front of the camera, right? So try as much as possible to be yourself when talking to the camera. Okay, so now we have talked about all these steps. It brings me to like my last point. So you have gotten personality check, eye contact check, all these things check. Now you have to do your video, right? So please don't overthink it. Relax, have fun, drop all the self-criticism, drop all the whining. Oh, my voice sounds like a baby, my voice doesn't sound right. Please just drop it at the door. Don't bring it into the room when you're trying to film your video, right? Because you're meant to be rolling out videos if you want to grow on YouTube. So post this video, make this video. That is why there's editing, right? No one is perfect. Yes, I have to say that. No one is perfect, so have fun with it. That's why there's the whole post-production process. Once you're done filming, there are going to be mistakes, trust me. I'm going to try to put like b-rolls of the mistakes I've made while trying to film this video, so that you guys know that it's quite normal. But these are the things that you don't see because of post-production, and then you cut it out so that everything just flows, right? So make your video, edit it, and then post it without overthinking it. Please, I have to emphasize on this, don't overthink it. So the more you look at the video, the more you look at your videos, the more you tend to like find a lot of faults, and that way you're not going to post it. So relax, take a deep breath, edit the video, post the video, don't overthink it. You're going to get better, right? So that is it for this video. Get comfortable with yourself, make sure you have eye contact, let your audience be able to relate well with you, let them see through you, and make sure you bring your personality to the table. And also know that no one is perfect, so practice. I'm not even there yet. This is not the best, or this is not how, like, the most comfortable I can be. If you haven't watched my vlog, please check that out, and more vlogs. I think vlogs are even going to bring out the other side. Like, it's going to show more about me. So if you haven't watched my vlog, please check that out. I'll leave the link somewhere around here just so that you guys can check that out. So yeah, we're not perfect, no one is perfect, so do you, be yourself, and you're just going to see yourself growing, right? So yeah, that is the end of this video. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, say hi in the comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Make eye contact. We have personality. What?